Learn the action verb fly. Look at the birds fly. They fly high in the sky. Fly. Fly. She flies a kite on a windy day. They fly together in the plane. Learn the action verb draw. What is she doing? She is drawing. She draws beautiful pictures. Draw. Draw. Drawing is creative. Learn the action verb build. He is building. What is he building? He builds a sandcastle. Build. Build. They build a house. Learn the action verb teach. Look at her teach. She teaches English. Teach. Teach. He teaches math to his sister. She teaches her dog tricks. Learn the action verb learn. What are they doing? They are learning. They learn new things every day. Learn. Learn. He learns to play the guitar. Learn the action verb close. Look at him close the window. Close. Close. She closes her eyes to sleep. He closes his book after reading. Learn the action verb sit. What are they doing? They are sitting. They sit in the park. Sit. Sit. Sitting is relaxing. He sits on the bench. Learn the action verb stand. Look at them stand. He stands up straight. Stand. Stand. They stand up to cheer. Learn the action verb smile. What is she doing? She is smiling. Smile. Smile. Smiling is nice. He smiles when he is happy. Learn the action verb laugh. Look at them laugh. They laugh at funny jokes. Laugh. Laugh. Laughing is fun. Learn the action verb cry. What is he doing? He is crying. Babies cry when they are hungry. Cry. Cry. Learn the action verb throw. Look at him throw. He throws the ball far. Throw. Throw. She throws stones in the lake. He throws the paper in the bin. Learn the action verb catch. What is she doing? She is catching the ball. Catch. Catch. Catching is exciting. He catches fish in the river. Learn the action verb buy. Look at them buy. They buy groceries. Buy. Buy. She buys a new dress. Learn the action verb sell. What is he doing? He is selling fruits. Sell. Sell. They sell their old toys. Learn the action verb wear. What is she doing? She is wearing a dress. Wear. Wear. They wear uniforms to school. Learn the action verb wash. Look at them wash their hands. Wash. Wash. Washing is important. Learn the action verb brush. What is she doing? She is brushing her teeth. Brush. Brush. He brushes his hair every day. Learn the action verb think. Look at him think. He thinks about his family. Think. Think. Thinking is important. Learn the action verb kiss. What is she doing? She is kissing her baby. Kiss. Kiss. Kissing is sweet.